So welcome once again to my journey from startup to profitability in 100 days or fewer. So today's post is a combination of a number of different things that are all starting to come together. And you have to build these assets sometimes sequentially, different order for everybody who understands that. So in a previous post, I just did some very basic keyword research. The reason being is that short term, in the first 100 days, highly unlikely you're actually going to rank for anything. And so the goal isn't to create a whole bunch of content or even try and rank inside of the SERP, which is Google sort of organic search results, but at least to start to get some of the building blocks. So today, what my team have done is create a blog post. But okay, so what? It's more than that. It's also a methodology so that someone else can follow this to create future ones. So this is both a blog post and a standard operating procedure. So I'm going to quickly walk you through. The team have actually created a guide for that. So inside our website and CRM, Go High Level, you can see that it's walking you through a step-by-step way of how to do that. So it's giving some specific things within here, showing you how to do it, and creating something that pretty much anybody can follow. So you can see that we've created titles on top of the process and the video. So anyone who can follow this along could follow the bouncing ball. If you're looking to grow and scale a startup or even an existing business, you have to create processes and policies and procedures, but ostensibly processes that someone else can follow, someone that is not you, because if your highest value is meeting new clients, scaling the business, adding product or features, sales, whatever it is that your genius zone is, you have to delegate the other things to someone else that can do this for you at scale and also just free up your time. So you can see as we're going through this, I'm not going to go through it, it's pretty straightforward. What I'm going to say is that we use a software called Guide, and then we've also thrown this into Canva, which again is something that I talked about earlier. The power of Canva just gets bigger and bigger. But you can see we're having a little bit of fun with this. We're making it super easy for somebody to create this and follow along. So you can see there it strengthens your SEO. So it's just basically a step-by-step guide, breaking something down. Everything in business is all about a process, and also often this is your IP. This is how you do something, but can you break it down into something simple that is actionable that someone else can follow? I always find there are a lot of very subject matter experts that are really good at what they do, but they're unable to reverse engineer the process and explain how they do things. So this is just a great way of you actually understanding your IP and being able to, as I said, put it down to someone else to copy. So you can see that step by step, we're going through the whole section of how to create a blog and which are the important aspects and exactly how to kind of do that. So we're getting towards the end of this now as we go through there, and I'll show you the finished article as well. So again, this was created by my team. I actually haven't been involved in this particular process. I do know how to do it. I'm just not something that I would enjoy doing if I was doing this all day, every day. No, thank you. So you can see that it's just about finished now, and I might even sort of just skip to the end to save that, which is there just to kind of publish it. So what does it look like as a finished published one? It's here, shortened, and then you can hit the read more and go to the full blog post in there as well. So this is just one example of bringing together a couple of different cool tools, creating a process and making sure that you've got a repeatable process that anyone else can follow. I hope you found this useful, not necessarily for the content, because it's pretty straightforward how to write a blog, but just for documenting it and allowing this to be a shareable, standard operating procedure that anyone can follow. Thanks for watching.